Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sanket Kotne, Consultant Medical Oncologist, HCG Cancer Center, Visakhapatnam. In view of this Cervical Cancer Awareness Month, I would like to shed some light on how important it is for the general population to know a little bit about cervical cancer and how to prevent it. Cervical cancer is the abnormal growth in the uterine cervix. This is the part in the vagina. This is the cancer where the cause is known, that is the human papilloma virus. So this virus affects the normal cells of the cervix and subsequently grows into an abnormal growth and in turn becomes a tumor if it's allowed to grow. The most common signs and symptoms of a patient in cervical cancer are bleeding per vagina, bleeding after sexual activity, or any abnormal discharge from the vagina. In advanced cases, the symptoms can be any swelling in the lower extremities, pressure-like symptoms in the pelvic area, back pain, and also abnormalities in urine. One in 4 of all global deaths from cervical cancer are happening in India. This is due to a large population and lack of awareness and lack of knowledge about the seriousness of this disease. There is only opportunistic screening happening in India, that is where the patient goes to a doctor for some other health problem and that is when they are screened for. There can be a cost-effective program for better screening. Prevention can happen at multiple points by early detection, a screening program, an effective and safe vaccine, and by reducing the geographical barriers and stigma for cancer. There is a window period of nearly 7 to 10 years where women can be screened to detect a pre-cancer and to treat it and prevent the cancer from happening. The high-risk oncogenic types of HPV are responsible for cervical cancer. Cervical cancer is preventable because of screening, and screening can be done by a routine Pap test. The cells are taken from the cervix, they are placed under a microscope and examined to look for any abnormal cells. Removal of these abnormal cells can prevent cancer from happening. There are two types of HPV vaccines. One is a bivalent vaccine and the other is a quadrivalent vaccine. The bivalent is against the most virulent 16 and 18 oncogenic types, and the quadrivalent vaccine is against 16, 18, and 6 and 11 types of HPV. Both these vaccines are licensed and are effective against females aged between 9 to 26 years. They should get 2 doses with a minimum interval of 6 months. For those who are more than 15 years and are immunocompromised, at least 3 doses are recommended, that is at 0, 1 and 6 months or at 0, 2 months and 6 months. Yes, these vaccines are safe and effective. FDA has licensed these vaccines and these are tested among millions of girls around the world. There has been found to be a 97 to 98% of protection against the type 16 and 18 variants of HPV. Mostly not, but few milder side effects like fever, nausea, dizziness and pain have been reported. But their safety profile will always be monitored by FDA and CDC, so it is safe and effective. If a woman gets pregnant during this course of vaccination schedule, the vaccine should be stopped and they should continue to deliver, do not end the pregnancy. If there is any infection or rash, the vaccine should be stopped. There should be a recovery period of 1 week and then the vaccine should be continued. Start screening at the age of 25 years. A HPV test is recommended at every 5 years until the age of 65. If there is no HPV test, a Pap test can be done at every 3 years. There is no screening beyond 65 years. Even if vaccinated, the screening should be continued. Screening guidelines are not recommended based on whether a person is vaccinated or not. Gynecologists, primary care physicians, physician assistants, nurses can do the screening in a medical office or a screening camp. An effective large population-based screening and increasing awareness in women about how to prevent this cervical cancer, a disease that stands as one of the major public health failures, can be eliminated. I hope this educational session is going to create some awareness among the general population. And HCG Cancer Center Visakhapatnam is providing cancer treatment and is conducting several screening camps and providing vaccinations for cervical cancer. For more queries, please do visit us.